Welcome back to Morning Break, and today's Monday Motivations brought to you by Gates Brain Health, where today we're joined by Dr. Randall Gates, board-certified chiropractic neurologist and chiropractic physician, and the owner of a brand new business that is just about to launch. So thank you so much for being here. We're very excited to celebrate this new venture with you.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Tell us all about Advanced Imaging Reno, or AIR, which is a really great, simple kind of acronym.
Yeah. And so there are many obstacles with MRIs that a lot of people face. Number one is cost. And lots of times people may have an $8,000 or $10,000 deductible. They're thinking, I need an MRI. They may have to pay $1,000, $2,000. And we are going to be offering in the month of October MRIs for $599 for like one area of the body, which is typically how it's done. Number two is our aim is to not have patients waiting so long. So frequently wait lists in this town can be 3 weeks, 2 months.
Wow.
So we're taking that element out of it, trying to get people in quickly. Number three is claustrophobia. And so a lot of patients have the idea of being claustrophobic in an MRI. So we have a 70-centimeter board. It's very wide. So that helps with claustrophobia.
Okay.
Then advanced brain imaging is my area of passion, as you and I have discussed on many broadcasts. Letting an MS patient know how many lesions they actually have in their brain. Are there more lesions this year than there were last year? So we're going to be bringing that type of technology to Reno, as well as dementia quantification, or for someone who's 50 and their mom had dementia and they're worried, am I going to get dementia? We can actually give them hard values of here's how dense certain areas of your brain are compared to age-matched normals.
Wow.
So we have all that going on, and then we're going to be doing full body MRIs, which is now being offered in LA, the Bay Area, and people are going in once a year to get screened for certain conditions. And there's been a lot of discussion about this in the mainstream media. So we're going to be the first to be doing that on a wide scale here, to my knowledge. So I believe that other facilities have experimented with it, but we are going to be doing this as a main treatment.
Yeah. And is it something that it's going to be like, you know, you are going to recommend to your patients to come and do, or are you going to be working with other
working
doctors
with everyone,
and clinicians?
other doctors, the whole community.
Okay.
Yeah, we want everyone to know about this.
That is awesome. Okay, and so the whole body MRIs that you're going to be offering, kind of break that down, and what does that mean, and who are the type of patients that you'll be able to really use this technology, or who will benefit from this technology the most?
So those will benefit, maybe there's a family history of aneurysm, and aneurysms can affect many parts of the body. So you would have to go get a brain MRI, maybe a neck MRI, maybe an abdominal MRI or a chest MRI. And so in one scan, in 50 minutes, we can scan the whole body.
Wow.
And that's this new machine that I bought. It uses the most state-of-the-art technology, so it scans quickly.
Okay.
So rather than MRI taking 45 minutes for one area, we can actually scan the whole body in about 50 minutes.
Wow. And that new technology, is that the Fuji Synergy?
The Echelon Synergy is brand new, the most advanced state-of-the-art technology.
And we've got a picture of it right there. And is this also the one that you were saying is a little bit wider?
It's a little bit wider. It's a 70-centimeter bore as well.
Yeah, that's awesome, because I know I'm one of those people who doesn't get really serious claustrophobia, but but I've been in an MRI machine, and because it is so cramped and it's loud and you really do kind of feel that, I'm like, even I have had those moments of like, ooh, I am not comfortable in this thing, and then you can't move, and it's a lot. So to be able to make it comfortable for people who, you know, who knows what they're thinking about, you know, they're getting an MRI for a reason, you know, and they could have a lot of worries. You don't want to take that stress and add it to them.
Exactly. So we're trying to take away all those obstacles.
Okay.
So we want this to be out there now. If, you know, it's a month from now, just remember this broadcast. If you're having trouble getting scheduled, if you're being told it's going to be thousands of dollars for an MRI of your neck, as an example, we'll call Advanced Imaging Reno, AIR. And our phone number, I hadn't given this to you, but maybe it was on one of the flyers. It's 775-507-3331.
Okay, and I will make sure that that phone number is also listed on our website along with this article. So this is just a really, really cool thing. You're going to be offering it here in Reno starting, I think, around early October.
Around early October.
Perfect. Well, I know this is going to help a lot of people. I know you're very excited about adding this to our Reno area so that folks don't, like you said, have to go all the way to like LA to get something like this. We have people in need right here. So thank you, Dr.
And
Gates.
concussions. I forgot to mention concussions. We're doing advanced imaging for concussions. DTI, we're going to be working with that as well.
Yeah. Would that apply to like kids and stuff
Kids,
too?
and we're going to be doing pediatric screening. So if there's a mom who's worried, you know, should my son play football, we can do a pediatric screening before the season and after the season to tell if there was any white matter effect
Okay.
from the head injuries.
Wow, fascinating. Well, Dr. Gates, thank you so much. I'll put all of this information about the new business air on our website, kolotv.com. We appreciate you stopping by.
Thanks, Katie.
All right, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll be right back.